service for the following counties in Pennsylvania: Carbon and Monroe. What? West winds 25 to 35 miles per hour with gusts up to 60 miles per hour expected. Where? Carbon and Monroe counties. When? From 1 p.m. Sunday to 6 p.m. Monday. Impacts. Damaging winds will blow down trees and power lines. Widespread